Hello, welcome to the Victorious Planner. My name is Danielle and thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. In this video, we're going to be doing a HelloFresh unboxing. This is only the second HelloFresh unboxing I've done, but this is probably about the fifth or sixth, something like that, the fifth or sixth box that we're on of getting meals from HelloFresh. So I kind of have the box started for us. The box is large, so it's taking up most of the camera space right now, but I wanted to just kind of have you see how it does come all packaged together. In case you've never watched an unboxing video, they're really good at getting everything packaged, but we will go through all this in a little bit more detail. So I'm just going to set some of this aside right now, but it comes in just really good packing. Like, this is really thick to keep all your food nice and cold. So just want you to see kind of what this is like. And then inside you're able to pull out, they have all of the meals packaged together by the meals that you ordered. So again, I'm going to pull some of these out and then I'll show you them in more detail. But I just think it's kind of nice to know, especially when you're ordering food, you might be curious, like, is it going to come cold? And ours always has. It looks like this might be a little bit of a treat. Kiwi fruit? I don't know, we'll have to look at what that is. But then I wanted to show you, so all the ingredients come in those bags we pulled out, and then there's usually a couple of these huge ice packs, and they keep the food really cold. There's usually an extra ice pack down here by the meat. So here you can see all the meat for the meals that we got. So I'm just gonna get all this out. Sorry if the camera's bumping around a little bit. This is much larger of an item than I'm usually filming. And wow, this one you can even see it did come with 3 ice packs, so keeps the food really nice and cold. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of the box. We'll get zoomed in a little bit to my actual filming area here. Okay, so for this box, we did just get 2 meals. Previously, we were doing 3 meals a week, but the nice thing about HelloFresh is you can skip weeks if you want. So it is a weekly subscription. It's kind of like the natural set or the normal setup, but you can skip any weeks that you want. So you could skip a few here and there, whatever works with your budget. So we were getting 1 box a week for about 3 weeks in a row, I think, because I had some discounts. And I will put information below this video of any discounts that are available right now if you want to try this out. And then after the discounts ran out, we were doing every 3rd week, I think, just to stay within our budget. And then now we have switched to, so sorry, I don't know if I said that. So before we were doing 3 meals, 1 box per week, and then we were skipping there for a while, but we were always doing 3 meals with 2 servings. And now we have our son with us for the summer, so we've switched it to doing 2 meals, but there's a 4 serving option. So depending on your family size and how many servings you want, there is those options. So what you're going to see here are meals that are 4 servings. So in the box, what I pulled out right away, there's usually a little envelope with some different special offers, just in case you want to check those out in your box. They're usually to other like subscription boxes and things. And then within this box, we chose the 1-pan Easy Bee and Cheesy chicken quesadillas. Those look really good. Oh, it looks like some other stuff for HelloFresh. And then this is our second meal for this box, the white cheddar Wonderburgers. So what I want to do quickly is just show you, let's start with the quesadillas. So these bags that I pulled out, you're gonna have 1 bag per meal, however many meals you chose in your box. And then within the bag is where all the ingredients for the meal are located with the exception of the meat. So this is our quesadillas. We have the tortillas, and I think there's, 2 in each of these. So this, again, 4 servings. If you got the 2 servings, you'd probably just get your 2 quesadillas. We have some green onions, pepper jack cheese, and then some Monterey Jack cheese, and it looks like, yeah, we'll have 2 of each kind of cheese. And then sour creams, or no, maybe these aren't, I assumed they were. Oh, this is red pepper cream or crema. And so there's 4 of those. The sour cream usually come in a pack shaped just like this, so I thought that's what it was. And then we have 2 seasoning, Southwest Spice seasoning packets. And then you may have seen me pull it out right there at the end. This is our chicken. So 4 servings of the chicken for your quesadillas. So here's all the stuff for the quesadilla meal. Try to not have it fall everywhere. And then let's just take a quick peek at the other meal we got. Again, was the white cheddar Wonderburgers. So within the bag is all of your other ingredients. Nice, we got the buns. And then our white cheddar. And for the most part, these ingredients have always been so fresh. There might have been a couple veggies that maybe weren't as fresh as I would have chose them from the store, but nothing that was bad. But so far we've really liked the freshness of them. We got 2 packs of mayo, ketchup. This is another awesome thing. I mean, things like mayo and ketchup are usually staples. We have a lot of that in the kitchen, but you'll notice with seasonings and different things like that, they just give you the amount that you'll need for the meal. So like this, I actually don't have Old Bay seasoning in our kitchen. So this is awesome. I don't have to run out and buy it. I have enough for this meal. And then we have a couple onions, and we may not, we'll see what the recipe calls for, but we may not use all of those onions just on burgers. And then the potatoes, because this is our side Old Bay fries, and they're kind of like potato wedges, I think, in the picture. And then lastly for this one, some Dijon mustard. All right, so we'll put this one down here. Kind of, this was our white cheddar burgers. And I think, sorry, this is kind of in the way, but it looks like they gave us a kiwi, just a sample. Last time we got a cheesecake sample. So sometimes you'll get samples of other foods that they sell. HelloFresh does have more than just these meals. They also have sides you can add on. I think they have desserts. Well, I know they have desserts. I just said we got cheesecake as a sample. So lots to choose from on their website. You can get the app as well. Oh, the one thing I forgot to grab back in here, you did see me pull it out of the box, but the beef, the ground beef for the cheddar Wonderburgers. But yeah, they have lots to choose from. I have shared this in the first unboxing video, which I'll have linked above or below or somewhere if you haven't checked that one out. But I just love, the biggest thing I love about HelloFresh is the convenience. Like, here's 2 meals for my family that I don't have to spend the extra time planning or making sure my grocery list has what I need for those meals. And as you can see, these 2 meals, pretty family friendly. Like, I really think our son's going to enjoy both of these. You know, his burger, we may leave the caramelized onions off, but really family friendly options too. They do have healthier options as well. They have vegetarian options. They just have a lot to choose from. So I highly recommend trying it out if you haven't. Again, I'll put information below this video for like discounts and stuff. Because if anything, at least try it out with a discount just to see if you'll like it. You might as well use up the discount and get meals for a cheaper rate. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for unboxing all of this food with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, and also let me know what types of videos you would love to see. I hope that some of these are helpful and either give you ideas of what you want to do or maybe even ideas of what is just not for you. But anyway, I thank you all so much for your support, and I'll talk to you again in my next video. Bye!